Stories, ORT, written by Roderick Hunt and illustrated by Alex Brichter, that provide a rich story context to help develop language comprehension and decoding skills. Stories, more stories, A and B. More stories build on reading skills from stage 2 that are slightly longer now. On stage 3, I hope you liked it. So let's begin. This is the title page. As you know, the name of the story is written here, that is why it is called the title page. We can see a girl kneeling on her knees. She is Wilma. She has black hair. She is holding something in her hands, a bag and some colorful eggs. I can see some round or oval-shaped things. These are eggs, colorful eggs. And she is wearing a red coat with a white collar and a yellow pant and red and white inner. And she is in a park. You can see a bench, grass, and some flowers, and she is petting something. Whatever she is doing, I don't know. We can see a bird sitting on a bench, and the name of the story is The Egg Hunt. It has something to do with eggs. I think she's holding some eggs. Okay, she's hiding these eggs in these flowers, among these flowers. I don't know what the story is about. Let's come and find out. Okay, let's turn the page now. We can see over here that someone is coming. Who is she? She is Kate. Mom and Kate came to stay. Mom and Kate came to stay. They came to stay with Wilma. She is Wilma's family. We can see Wilma, Wilma's mother, and Kate with 3 ponies and Wilf. Kate's mother is wearing a yellow shirt and a blue jeans. Wilf is wearing a light blue shirt and a gray pant. And Kate is wearing an overall or jumpsuit of blue color and white strips and white inner inside. Wilma's mother is wearing a blue jacket, pink shirt and skirt. And she says, "Welcome home, Kate and Mom." Wilma is also looking at them. And Wilma's mother is holding a bag in her hands. And you can see some dolls like coming out of that bag, and the color of the bag is white. So welcome home, Kate and Mom. Then we can see that Mom and Kate plan to make a cake. Mom and Kate made a cake. They are making a cake and they are decorating it. Wilma is looking at them, and they are in the kitchen. You can see a toaster, a jar, and we can see a window and some scenery, cabinets. They are sitting on a table, and there are 3 chairs. They are decorating it. And Kate's mother is having tea in a white cup with red spots on it. And there are some decoration pieces. They are decorating with some eggs. Here we can see Wilma standing with something in her hands. She has a book, and Dad is standing also in the kitchen. You can see a pan, a window, flower pots in the kitchen, and window pane. There is some dishwashing liquid. Some mugs are hanging in. There are cabinets, spoons, knives, and all of them are sitting in the kitchen. Dad and Wilma are standing. Dad is holding a cup of tea in his hands, and the cup is of green and white color. And Kate, Mom, and Wilf are sitting on the dining table. They are decorating the cake. So Wilma looked at the little egg. She had an idea. She is putting her finger in her mouth. She's thinking something. She has an idea and she wants to do something. Let's find out what she wants to do. Let's turn the page. Wilma went to the park along with Dad. Dad is also standing there. We can see some lady, and we can see a statue behind Wilma. And this is a park. Someone has hung his cap on the tree, and you can see some trees, bushes, and a statue beautifully decorated. And there is a dog with a statue, and the man is playing the guitar. And Wilma is thinking what to do. She wanted to hide some eggs. Oh, she's thinking what to do. We can see a bench, a dustbin, and lot of a dog and houses. We can see at the back trees, and they're standing on the footpath. Let's turn the page now. Again, we can see that Wilma is hiding the eggs. Oh, she wants to do something. She's hiding the eggs. She's holding the packet of eggs in her hands, and she wants to hide it. You can see a flower, a pink color flower, and she is about to hide the egg among that flower. So next, turn the page again. We can see that Wolf and Kate came to the park. Mom is also there, Wilma is also there, Wolf and Kate is also there. You can see a squirrel also there. Now Wilma is saying, okay, you can go and hunt for eggs. You can look for the eggs, said Wilma. Now let's see what happens. This is a nice, interesting game. Kate looked for the eggs. She hunted here and there among the flowers, among the trees. Where are they? She said. I cannot find them. She's hunting them. Where are they? She's saying. The squirrels had them. You can see some squirrels on the tree with the eggs. So the squirrels like eggs. Squirrels like the eggs, said Kate. Oh, look at them. Kate's mom is pointing at the squirrels. The squirrels are having those eggs, and you finding them in the park. They are not there. Kate's mother is wearing an orange shirt and a blue jeans, and she's pointing at the squirrels. There are 2 squirrels sitting on a tree along with the eggs. They are eating them, and Wilma is also looking at them. Kate is wearing a red and white jacket and blue overall romper with 3 ponies, and Wolf is wearing a blue jacket with light blue shirt and brown pants. And Wilma is wearing a red coat, red and white striped inner. And all of them are looking at the squirrels. Oh, the squirrels are having them. You can see them. These are called squirrels. Now you can see 3 of them. 3 squirrels are there. And you can see a big hole in the tree. And they're sitting on the trunk of the tree. Over here, the squirrels like the eggs, so do I, said Kate. And they are having, oh, these are chocolate cakes. You can see that when Wilma is opening oh my god, these are chocolate cakes. So that's why the squirrels were having them. What a nice story. You can see that is holding also a packet, and Kate's mother is there. You can see behind Wilma, Wolf, and Kate are holding some eggs. Kate is holding a green color of chocolate egg, and you can see chocolate coming out. And we can see Wilma is holding a blue color of egg, and Wolf is holding an orange color of egg. We can see a window, and we can see a car, and someone is peeping. Dad and Kate's mother are looking at the children. So they enjoyed the party. That was a nice story. I hope you like it.